Hey guys, I'm Jordan, and today I'm going to sing a little bit of a song that I learned at my choir. People really do hate it because it's such an annoying song, but I don't really think so. I think it's like a kind of soothing song for people who keep on going back and forth to Alberta and all that. So it's called Four Strong Wings. Hope you enjoy. Four strong winds that blow lonely, seven seas that run high, all the things that don't change, come what may. But our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I look for you if I'm ever down this way. Guess I'll go out to Alberta, weather's good there in the fall. Guess that's it. Can't remember the rest. Peace. Subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you want me to sing any more great songs. You can actually pick songs for me that you want me to sing. I better know them. One of them. Subscribe. Peace, suckers. Peace. Whatever.